Okay, guys, today what are we gonna build?
We're gonna build a phone holder.
Why? Why a phone holder?
Because so parents don't have to like this. They don't have to do this, and it'll make it better. So that's why.
So the phone doesn't fall over and you can watch
Yeah.
it as a family?
Uh-huh.
Why else are we building a phone holder?
For presents for Christmas.
What are you wanting to do?
Make a company.
What's the company called?
Brothers Build Best.
Brothers Build Best.
BBB.
Showcase our prototype building abilities, huh?
Birch.
That's not, but close. It's maple.
Oh.
This is
Birch.
oak.
Oh.
Birch is white. Oak is red.
Oh.
This isn't really red, but it's called red oak. So look, we're gonna use something like this.
Spot where you can plug it in. So we gotta make a hole in there.
Cut a little spot out.
Yeah. Yeah. And then cut a spot out in the back. Yeah. I got my drill. Like maybe right here.
Countersink. I'm gonna get this in here. So you got your drill bit, and then you got these little bits right here that let's see. Pull out, see all that, now go again, there you go.